This is a revolution. Again, Yuka's refillable felt tip pen with converter or ink cartridges is back. Many available colours, 4 switchable tip sizes, and it seems you liked it, and loads of experiences. Oh, by the way, we added a little extra magic. Here it goes. Please share our campaign with your friends.
Hey, who are you?
Meet the 8 in Minibook, a mobile workstation in the palm of your hand. Busy times call for compact solutions. This is why we packed a fully powered PC, laptop, and tablet into our 8-inch Minibook. And when on the go, size does matter. Take it with you anywhere and still have full control over all functions. Easily slip it in your purse, bag, or even pocket when not using. Minibook has a variety of unique modes ready to fit your various needs. Go beyond an e-reader with its backlit screen, making reading in daylight frustration-free, and a big enough screen to do just about any task with ease. Game anywhere with its powerful CPU and RAM, and connect anywhere with Bluetooth or HDMI. It has plenty of storage and an additional expandable M.2 SSD slot with TF card expansion to keep all your data and apps with you at all times. Extremely versatile and forms to how you want to use it. A small, mighty mobile workstation in the palm of your hand. Minibook.
What is innovation? Innovation is making the inaccessible accessible to all. Introducing Pocket Drum, the smart wireless drumstick that allows you to drum wherever, whenever. With Aeroband's built-in Bluetooth capability and extended battery life, you can make the streets your musical playground, freeing you from being tied down by big, bulky equipment. We've partnered with professional drummers to make sure the haptic perception is as realistic as possible. The Pocket Drum has incredible velocity response and imperceptible latency. You will be amazed at how precise it feels. Best of all, you can connect your headphones for a truly silent experience, so you can play without disturbing others. Not only can you hear the beats, you can see them with synchronized LED lights and feel them from advanced haptic technology. With the intuitive Aeroband app, you have 3 different modes to learn, practice, and record your own music with. Pocket Drum is perfect for beginners or professionals. Practice your skills while traveling the world with ease. The possibilities are endless. Experience the Pocket Drum for yourself. Back us today on Indiegogo.
How to be twice as smart. Focus is something that every one of us does. Most of us don't do as well as we could. We spend a third of our lives focusing at work. How well we do depends on it, yet we neglect it. Knowing that we focused is good, but it's not enough. We need to begin to understand how our mind can work better. Nobody is even thinking of using the most powerful part of our mind, our subconscious. With Foci, we want to change that. Foci is a biometric wearable that tracks your subconscious and helps you tune into deep focus. Clipped to your waist, the biometry captures your cognitive states as a stream of colored orbs inspired by Pixar's Inside Out to help you visualize your mind and understand yourself better. This biometrics powers the AI Mind Coach, the closest thing to a real coach. It picks out mistakes you made and provides real-time advice to optimize your mental performance. You will not only know exactly when you lose focus, but also access techniques with easy-to-follow steps to make focus your second nature. We want Foci to help you get into what psychologists call flow, a state of deep focus where your subconscious empowers you to process information better.
Foci is based on 2 decades of new respiratory research which establish how breathing patterns mirror subconscious states. We have built a small device that you can clip to the waist to track your breathing while you work. With machine learning, Foci learns your breathing characteristics and derives personal insight in real time to boost your focus.
Over the last few months, we worked with Cambridge Enterprise on the project. We alpha tested with student testers from Cambridge University. The results are very promising. Now we want to share this powerful technology with everyone. We want the Kickstarter community to help us shape what we are building as we build it. With your support, we can together help people better understand themselves and tap into their potential.
Hey guys, I'm Jesse and I'm a cat lover. This is Ezreal. He's my ride or die. Say hi, Ezreal. He's not always like this. I think he's camera shy. From time to time, there's a few things I forget to do for him. Dealing with the litter box can be one of the unpleasant things to do. Oh, my girlfriend got me a surprise. Very exciting. Let's have a look. Shall we? Wow, that's my girl. She sent this Lavibot for me. Lavibot is the most intelligent IoT cat litter box ever. Once your cat does its own business in the box, Lavibot waits the certain amount of time you set and cleans the waste automatically up. Plus, if you fill the storage up with litter, Lavibot refills the litter automatically. So for 3 weeks max, you are totally free from the mess. My girlfriend connected Lavibot to the app. Look at her, she's checking her cat on her phone. How smart. Lavibot also monitors your cat's bowel movement. That can be helpful for your pet doctor, right? And it's going to be compatible with more devices to make you way more convenient. Auto clean, auto refill, and even monitoring your cat. Wow, that's the stuff. Now it's time to say goodbye to your scruffy servant life. With Lavibot, you and your cat couldn't be happier.